Believe it or not, one of the funnest parts of doing fireworks is teaching firemen about fireworks. It's great.
5-inch dummy shell. But that's, without knowing that it's empty or anything, that's an exact duplicate of what we're shooting. Here's an 8-inch. We used to go up to 12s. They go up 100 feet per diameter inch. 12-inch shell would weigh about 25 pounds. How high can you throw it? The lift charge is down here underneath, and it's measured, of course, according to the weight and everything. So, like I say, it goes up 100 feet per inch, so this would go up 1,200 feet, and it would spread out approximately half that. Here's a nice little 4-inch shell. There again, of course, they're all dummies. Here's one that isn't a dummy, but you can see here how thick the cardboard is on these. This would have been the top of the shell here, and if I'm lucky, no, I'm unlucky. It got taken out for test fire. No, somebody got wise, but I'll put it where it won't get lost. Okay, so this would have been the top of the shell. This would have been the bottom, of course, like that. The lift charge would have been sitting here. This is a time delay fuse. The lift charge lists the time delay fuse. So while the shell is going up, this is burning. So the approximate appropriate height then, it hits the center of the shell and burst open. This one went up and come down. We found it, thank goodness. And soaked it, took it apart. Get some of the really fancy Italians at 3 or 4 or 5 break, they can get kind of tall. And then those you have to shoot out of a steel mortar. So steel is used occasionally for some shells. You never use steel with a salute, the shell that just goes up and goes bang, because they call those hand grenades. This is the slower stuff. It only burns 80 feet a second. Okay, let's show you what this stuff does. Somebody want to light a piece?
Chippy will step up.
Yep, there's the propane guy.
Yeah. In the paper, it burns 80 feet a second. I'm going to tear off about 10 inches here of bare match. The bare match burns about 1 inch a second. Okay, shoot your fire crossways, not this way. They give you just a little bit more time to get away from it. You got it unlocked? Okay.
Holy cow. That's neat.
Holy shit.
Now, it literally burns from the inside out. And I'm using pliers because that's just hot. But it is literally burning from the inside out because it burns so fast. The reason it burns faster in the paper because it's burning the gas that's trapped. That little bulb right there, it snaps it kind of like a pop from the old cap guns. And that's laying right in beside that black match, and that shot of spark sets that off right now.